And getting in these latest pictures from Kannauj, where the DRI team is seen carrying more bags which could possibly have cash and gold in them. The GST intelligence team also seized about 23 kilograms of gold during raids at UP businessman Piyush Jain's house. Cutting across to Sumi, who's picking up the latest on this. Sumi, the new bags that have been seized, what more do we know about them?
Yes, absolutely. We had been seeing incessant raids that are going on at various properties of Piyush Jain. He is the perfume industrialist here in Kannauj, who owns several properties in Mumbai as well as in Dubai and a factory in Kannauj. And in Kannauj, as we speak, there are the raids. Now the paperwork is going on by the investigating agencies who were here in Kannauj, as well as they were in Kanpur as well. And we had seen 25 kgs of gold being recovered from the Kanpur residence. But now, from the latest visuals, it is established that the authorities, that the agencies have now got additional 23 kgs of gold, and in fact they are carrying two trunk boxes, and in those there are cash, there are gold, but we don't know any, it for with certainty so far. We are waiting for the investigating agencies to release a statement on that, but what we know is that they have found another 23 kgs of gold apart from the 25 kgs of gold that was already recovered at Kanpur's residence. In fact, apart from these numbers, 250 kgs of silver, 600 kgs of sandalwood oil and 257 crores of cash from both the locations, from his residence in Kanpur as well as his factory in Kannauj, have also been recovered. And the 5 days of raids have roped in many investigating agencies, and the trunk boxes that have been recovered, it has been recovered by the DRI. And remember, he was presented in a court, Kanpur court, by the investigating agencies yesterday, and they sought a judicial custody of 14 days. And in fact, right now, Piyush Jain, as we speak, is in a judicial custody. And certainly these numbers are very perplexing. But yes, he was, while the raids were happening, he was in Delhi attending his father. In fact, he was going through, his father was going through treatment at one of the hospitals in Delhi. And after several calls by the investigating agencies, he was called back. But Piyush Jain's residence was certainly not the first location where the raids had happened. The raids had happened at a tobacco manufacturer, and then the Ganpati road carriers first, and after those, after connecting the dots there, the raids and the tip-off further led them to Piyush Jain's residence. And in fact, the walls were full of cash. And it is certainly the biggest seizure in the history of raids. Not only it is being quoted by the CBIC, but it is certainly the biggest raid that has happened in cash. 177 crores from his residence, as well as the rest of it from the Kannauj factory. And there had been multiple keys. In fact, 300 keys were also discovered from his place. And there had been several counting machines, note counting machines have been put in place in order to see the kind of cash, the kind of amount that this Piyush Jain had all this while. And apart from that, fake invoices have also been found, and the transport of raw material was constantly being done by evading the cash and without any e-way bill, is what we are getting to know from the investigating agencies so far.